Hmm. Good morning, Wildcats. A few words of wisdom here today on this Wednesday. A few words about the Jewish faith's Passover is this week, sometimes known as the Festival of Freedom. This is a celebration of the Jewish people who celebrate the exodus of their ancestors from Egyptian slavery, celebrated by families with a Seder meal. I was actually invited to a Seder meal a couple of years ago. It was a very special event, a very impactful event, something I hope that maybe you can take part of someday. Freedom is something that we think about during Passover, no matter what our faith is. We have a proverb in America that says, if we lose our freedom, we have nothing else to lose. If we lose our freedom, we have nothing else to lose. Well, during this time, we may think we've lost a lot of freedom because we are stuck in our homes, but that is simply not true. We have fantastic amounts of freedom. We are very lucky indeed. What we are doing is not losing our freedom, but staying home so that we can keep each other safe, keep ourselves well, and keep each other well. When you think about freedom, you can't help but honor and celebrate the Jewish people who lost 6 million people during the Holocaust, 6 million Jews who lost their freedom and their lives. So that is something to think about here. One of the ways we can add value, of course, is being respectful. Another way is being responsible. Another way to add value is to celebrate our freedom today and every day. Mr. Holton talked about sending a gratitude to somebody. He gave you that challenge. I would challenge you to send a note of gratitude or a card to a veteran or somebody that you know has helped this country achieve the wonderful freedom it has today. So Wildcats, have a great Wednesday. Add value today and every day and stay well. I'm thinking about you, Wildcats. Take care.